Good afternoon, everyone. So about today we discuss about torque equations. Discuss about torque equations. So already in one class we studied starting torque derivation. Starting torque TST equal to K into E2 square R2 divided by R2 square plus X2 square, and running torque, running or full load torque TFL equal to K into SC2 square R2 divided by R2 square plus SX2 whole square. So these two derivations are derived in earlier class. Today we discuss maximum torque and a relation with other torques. First of all, condition for maximum torque. Condition for maximum torque. Condition for maximum torque. What is the torque? Torque is equal to K into SC2 square R2 divided by R2 square plus SX2 whole square. So this is the equation about the torque equation. The condition for torque is derive this equation and putting into 0. In this derivation, derive with respect to variable term. So in this torque equation, the variable term is slip. So dt by ds and putting to 0. That is dt by ds equal to d by ds of k into SC2 square R2 divided by R2 square plus SX2 whole square. R2 square divided by SX2 whole square equal to K into d by ds SC2 square R2 divided by R2 square plus SX2 whole square. This is the equation. That is similar to that of u by v. d by derivative of u by v. So that is K R2 square plus SX2 whole square and derivative of u. Then here d by dx of x like that of slip is 1. E2 square R2 minus SC2 square R2 derivative of R2 square 0 plus 2s x2 square divided by R2 square plus SX2 whole square equal to 0. This is the equation. So after that one, R2 square plus SX2 whole square into E2 square R2 equal to SC2 square R2 2s x2 square R2 square plus SX2 whole square into E2 square R2 equal to 2s square E2 square R2 x2 square. Here E2 square R2 can cancel. We can get R2 square plus s square x2 square is equal to 2s square x2 square. R2 square is equal to 2s square x2 square minus s square x2 square. R2 square is equal to s square x2 square. R2 equal to sx2. The condition for maximum torque. The condition for maximum torque. R2 equal to what? Sx2. RT equal to SX2. Similar way, the condition for maximum slip. The condition for maximum slip, SM equal to R2 by X2. R2 by X2. So this is the about condition for maximum slip. So next, maximum torque. Maximum torque. Next, maximum torque. So torque equal to what? K into SC2 square R2 divided by R2 square plus SX2 whole square. This is the torque equation. This is the torque equation. This is the torque equation. Substitute R2 equal to SX2 in this equation, we can get the torque. So torque equal to maximum torque equal to K into SS square E2 square. R2 plus we can replace SX2. R2 plus we can replace SX2. SX2 whole square plus SX2 whole square. That is K SS square E2 square X2 divided by 2SS square X2 square. SS square can cancel. X2 can cancel. That is K into E2 square by 2X2. K into E2 square by 2E2. This is maximum torque. The derivation of maximum torque T max equal to K into E2 square by 2X2. K into E2 square by 2X2. Next, condition for maximum torque and full load torque. Maximum torque and full load torque. Full load torque equal to TFL. We can represent a full load torque is TFL, that is equal to K into E2 square SC2 square R2 divided by R2 square plus SX2 whole square. This is the equation. T max equal to K into E2 square by 2X2. This is the another equation. So in this we can derive that one, ratio of TFL by T max. TFL by T max. Right? TFL K into SC2 square R2. K into SC2 square R2 divided by R2 square plus SX2 whole square divided by K into E2 square by 2X2. K into E2 square by 2X2. That is into 2X2 divided by K E2 square. E2 square K get cancel. What we can get? S 2S R2 X2 divided by R2 square plus S square X square. So this equation can be divided. Divide the above equation with X2 square. With X2 square. TFL by T max. TFL by T max equal to 2S R2 X2 divided by X2 square. R2 by X2 whole square plus S square X2 square divided by X square. That means in this equation can be simplified, summarized by dividing with the X2 square. That is 2S R2 by X2 divided by R2 by X2 whole square plus S square. Replace R2 by X2 with A. Replace R2 by X2 with some constant. The constant is A. So we can simply write that one, TFL by T max. TFL by T max. That is equal to 2AS divided by A square plus S square. a square plus s square, where a is equal to what? R2 by x2. This is the condition. TFL by T max equal to 2as by a square plus s square. 2as by a square plus x square. So next derivation is relation between starting torque and maximum torque. So in this, they derive the relation between starting torque and maximum torque. T start k into e2 square by r2 divided by r2 square plus x2 square. R2 square plus x2 square. T maximum, that is equal to k into e2 square by 2x2. This is the equation 1. This is the equation 2. So in this, the equation 1 and 2 can be taken as ratio. T start by T max, that is equal to k into e2 square r2 divided by r2 square plus x2 square divided by k into e2 square by 2x2. K into e2 square by 2x2. K into e2 square r2 divided by r2 square plus x2 square 2x2 divided by k e2 square. K e2 square, k e2 square can be cancelled. Here we can get 2 r2 x2 divided by r2 square plus x2 square. T start by T max r2 x2 square. So this equation also we can be divided. This equation can also be divided. Divide the above equation. Divide the above equation by x2 square. Divide the above equation by x2 square. T start by T max equal to 2 r2 x2 with respect to x2 square, r2 by x2 square plus x2 square by x2 square, x2 square by x2 square. We can cancel this one. We can get 2 r2 by x2 divided by r2 by x2 whole square plus 1. R2 by x2 whole square plus 1. Here also we can replace r2 by x2 equal to a. R2 by x2 equal to a. Substitute this. T start by T max. T start by T max, that is equal to 2a divided by a square plus 1. A square plus 1. This is the relation between starting torque and maximum torque. Starting torque and maximum torque. So what are the, we can derive the relations about the torque. Finally summarized as starting torque. What one is TST means starting torque. Starting torque equal to k into e2 square r2 divided by r2 square plus x2 square. R2 square plus x2 square. So next TFL, that is full load torque. That is full load torque k into SC2 square r2 divided by r2 square plus sx2 whole square. This is equation 2. This is equation 2. After that one, maximum torque. Maximum torque k into e2 square by 2x2. K into e2 square by 2x2. After that one, relation TFL by T max. TFL by T max. That is what? 2as by a square plus s square. This is the equation 4. Next, T start by T max. T start by T max. 2a by a square plus 1. This is equation 5. So these 5 are the helpful for solving the problems. So this is the topic regarding our 4th unit torque equations. So thank you for watching this video, and if you have any doubts regarding this torque equations, so we have asked in our group, WhatsApp group. So thank you.